What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. Today, we are going to be talking about XMR, yes, Monero. Before we get started though, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. I am dedicated to uploading videos, especially right now. Well, the markets are down, and I see a lot of value in providing this type of content to you guys. So without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. So we're going to start off by looking at Monero on Binance. It doesn't have the same historical data as Poloniex or some of the other exchanges, but we do have a lot more volume. So it gives us a more realistic illustration of how bullish Monero really is. Very first thing I want to point out to you guys is our 5 waves up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up here on Monero. And then we also have an A, B, and C wave down. Now, this could be breaking out here, especially if prices start to push up anywhere through this resistance. So yeah, the very first thing I'd be watching for is a breakout of this resistance. And then, of course, we'd want to see the B wave broken above, which is about $345. Then we have our 5 wave, which is $500. Currently, I do believe we will break above this first one, which will take us to the next one pretty fast. And at that point, it's pretty hard to stop the market from going faster. It's just going to start piling in. People are going to start getting excited, and you're really going to see prices take off from there. And the other thing, you guys, is we do have downward trending resistance right here. So if this downward trending resistance is broken above, it's a little bit of a range. You can see we can move this line around a little bit, but either way, it really doesn't matter. Pretty much if we start to break out of this line, if we start pushing through this line, then again, that's another big reason that prices will push higher here on Monero. So here with Poloniex, we can actually see a lot more historical data, and you'll see that we have a cup and handle pattern forming here on Monero. Now, this cup and handle pattern is a really bullish pattern. Essentially, if this pattern plays out, we're going to break above the all-time high and see big picture continuation. And that would be really, really bullish for Monero in both the short term and the big picture, taking us to new all-time highs and into a big picture bull market. And Monero has actually had a tendency to do these cup and handle patterns the entire time. This is one of the cup and handles that formed way back in 2017 right here. Here's another cup and handle pattern that formed on Monero back in 2016. And just one more time, this is the cup and handle that we currently see on Monero. So if this plays out again, this means big picture continuation, and it means a big picture bull market. So yeah, I really believe in Monero. I believe that the price will go up quite a bit from here. This is one that I've been watching for a long time. I've seen this coin since it was basically created, and it's one I see that a lot of value in the future, and one I think that can do really well. So yeah, I do believe that Monero will do well. And actually, in this recent run, when everything went up recently, it did better than a lot of the other coins from back in the day. So Monero is kind of an older project, and from those older coins, this one did phenomenally well. Did a really high percentage gain and just did a good job from the lows out. So I really do believe that this project will continue to see upside continuation, and I do believe that this cup and handle will play out, and it's pretty much why I decided to make today's video. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I appreciate you. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button for me. Share it with your friends as well. Comment down below if you have any projects you want me to run over, and I will see you guys in future videos. As always, stay profitable out there.